Spam and Egg Ramen. Now, between the years of 1982 and 1984, I was a young soldier stationed in Hong Kong, and there was this lovely little roadside place that used to do ramen, which was just a simple ramen pack topped with fried spam and a fried egg. So I'm just going to reproduce that for you now, just so you can see it. But it's a delicious breakfast. I'm a big fan of spam. I do like spam. In fact, I like all this type of pork luncheon meat. I really do enjoy it. So without further ado, I'm just going to cook the ramen according to the instructions, and then I'll fry the egg, fry the spam, and put this together for a very quick video. Many thanks to my sponsor, Mr. Paul, for helping me bring you this video. Thank you very much, my friend. So there we are. That's our ramen cooked. And on top of that, I'm going to put my 2 slices of spam. This old guy in Hong Kong, he was on the side of the road and he just whipped this up in a wok in no time at all. He was an old guy then, so bless his soul. Right, and just on top of that, also into my into the soup, I put some garlic to protect me against the ravages of winter, and I also put a julienne of carrot, and now I'm just going to dress all that with a bit of more carrot, a bit of raw carrot, and some chives. So there you go, a gorgeous good old-fashioned Hong Kong breakfast of spam and egg ramen. The ramen I used is this kimchi ramen. I'm rather fond of it. It's actually more Korean than Chinese. In fact, it is a Korean one, but I'm rather fond of kimchi, and I do eat a lot of it because, again, it protects me from the ravages of winter. But there you go. I'm just going to take that away now and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, if you want to help the channel, you can like, subscribe and share and tell all your friends. If you'd like to help with a donation, there's links below to Subscribestar and to PayPal, and there's also, for YouTube viewers only, there's the super thanks button just below this video. Thank you very much. Thanks in advance.